These are the 3 biggest lies that will keep you broke forever. And these lies actually kept me broke until I realized that I was being psyoped and that I was being lied to. And the first one is that you have to work harder in order to make more money. This couldn't be further from the truth. And I realized this when I was like, well, okay, hold on. But the man that drives the garbage truck, he works really hard. He's driving to all the houses, picking up the thing. The person that mops the floor, these people all work very hard. There are so many people that are in the wrong vehicle or not in the right vehicle if they want to be wealthy that work extremely hard. So the hard work is not coupled with making more money. What's coupled with making more money is hard work plus smart work plus leverage plus being in the right vehicle. And when you can do all of those things, that's how you get wealthy. You can work as hard as you want. I can punch this floor right now. Just keep punching the floor for no good reason. I'm working hard. Sure. What does that mean? It means I'm making more money. What does that mean? If I work a dead-end job or if a person works a dead-end job and makes $20 an hour or $30 an hour, you can work as hard as you want to work in your job. So what? Maybe I'll raise your wage $3 or $4. You need to be in the right vehicle. If you want to get wealthy, you have to be in the right vehicle. So that's why I started land investing, because I realized that I could do deals where I'm making 100 grand, 200 grand, 300 grand on just one deal. And I've done this multiple times. It's about the vehicle. And so not only can I do this multiple times, but then I can build a system around it. I can show other people how to do it as well, bring them as a part of my company. Now we're all under one branch. Now we're consistently doing deals. Now we've built a system that puts deals on a conveyor belt so that deals are just closing left and right, up and down, back and forth. Deals are just closing. And this is what you have to understand about getting rich. It's about learning a skill, learning the right skill, mastering it, working extremely hard to master it, and then delegating it off. The other thing that keeps you broke as well is focusing on the money as opposed to just focusing on the skill of getting better at that vehicle. That keeps so many people broke. So many people are so worried about the money. When am I going to close the deal? As opposed to getting as good as you possibly can at the skill of talking to people, at the skill of negotiation, at the skill of analysis. You get better at these things, then the money comes. When you start to get better at those things, the money will come. You master it first, and then the money is always a byproduct. It's the same way if you try to do 100 sit-ups today and you're fat. You try to do 100 sit-ups today. Well, you're not going to have abs on day one. You're not. So if you try to do 100 sit-ups today, tomorrow, the next day, the day after that, you're still not going to have sit-ups. But if you just focus on doing the sit-up exactly how you're supposed to do the sit-up and doing 100 sit-ups every day and staying consistent on that, the byproduct of you doing those sit-ups is going to be you having a six-pack. So same thing with the business. And people think that, oh, well, it's just going to take so long and I need to make money now. Focus on the skill first. And I promise you, the money will pay in perpetuity if you just get extremely good at it. And that's what I've done. I got extremely good at the craft of doing deals to the point where I could teach anyone how to do it anywhere in the world. That skill is a priceless skill, because if you just learn that skill, then no matter what, no matter where you are in the world, no matter where I am in the world, I can make a deal happen in the matter of weeks. No matter what happens, I can make a deal happen in a matter of weeks. And I know that for a fact because I've done it time and time and time. I've done it hundreds of times. So focus on the skill. And don't let anyone take you off of that path. Whatever your vehicle is, whatever you're doing, even if you're not in this industry, take the skill, learn your skill as good as you possibly can. Become a master at it. Become a black belt at it. You have to think about this as long-term thinking. How good can I get over the long term? And this is the problem. Most people don't have the right mental models, which is why most people are broke. Most people think week to week, day to day, month to month. Even when I was broke, even when I had absolutely nothing, even when $100, like I used to have $100 in my bank account when I was 18 years old, 19 years old, and I would be like, man, that's a lot of money. That's what I used to think. Man, that's a lot of money, bro. Like, oh, $25, man, okay, I gotta kind of ration that. That's what I used to think. As I got older, I said, you know what, this is not gonna work. So I have to focus on my skills. What is it that I want long term? So I saw it. I said, okay, 10 years from now, this is exactly where I'm gonna be. I'm gonna be doing this. You have to see it first. If you can't see it, you can't get there. So be able to broaden your timeline to see, like, not just for now, because then you'll stop making decisions for today. You'll start making decisions for tomorrow. You'll start making decisions for 10 years from now. You won't make any decisions out of lack or desperation anymore. It'll be, well, I know I'm capable of this, so let me focus on this skill, because 10 years from now, I could be sitting on millions of dollars if I do this right. And at the age of 20, I knew that. So that's what I did. The last thing that will keep you broke, if you let it, is waiting until you're ready. Man, the amount of people that I've seen stay broke because they're like, oh, I'm just not ready yet, and I don't know if I can do this yet, oh, it's not the right time, and I was hoping that at this time I was gonna, time. You don't get a single second back. So the perfect time to do anything is absolutely right now, all the time. There's never a let me think about it, there's never a give me a month, there's never any of that. The perfect time to do anything that you wanna do is right now. You can't wait for a perfect time. Do more, think less, speed is execution. Speed, every single thing that you do it fast. If you even think about doing something, be ready to do it right then and there. If you think about calling that seller, if you think about making that follow-up, if you think about getting whatever it is that you need to get it now. I don't wait on anything. The speed has made me rich. Being extremely fast to reply, to do anything. Being fast has made me so much more money than I could possibly imagine. You have to be as fast as you possibly can be in whatever it is that you're doing. Be fast. And just do it. Like, I don't think people realize that, like, you let all these exterior things, you let your perception of yourself, your identity of yourself be to the point where you're not confident in the decisions that you make. And if you're a man, being not confident in the decisions you make is a sign of low testosterone. You need to be very confident in the decisions that you make. And if you mess up, so what? No worries. Okay, I made a mistake. Cool, I learned from it. That's the thing. For me, I do things. There's been times where, like, I wanted a mentor, and they said, yeah, it's all right, cool, bro. It's gonna be 40 grand. No problem, bro. I just sent it to you. Now, let's get to work. I'm not gonna do this thing where I'm like, oh no. There have been times where it's like, time to book a flight. All right, cool, let's book the flight now. 15K, no problem. And it's not even about the amount. It's just about, you have to be able to say, hey, all right, this is what I want to do. So I need to do it now. I need to do it now. There's been times when I didn't have any employees and it was just me and my business. There have been times when a lead came in, I see the lead come in, I call immediately. Now, do it now. I didn't wait to start the business. I didn't wait to make the move. I didn't wait to do anything. You do it now. And when you do it now, when you're fast on it, when you're a stickler for speed, money comes at you so much faster because that's what you put out. So what you don't realize is that when you do this thing where you hesitate and you say, oh, I don't know, I'm not sure if I can do this. When you say that, the universe says back to you, okay, cool. I don't know if I can give you money either. I don't know if I can make you rich either. I don't think I can, because you're taking your time with it. You're not being as fast as you possibly can be. You're not taking it seriously. So how can we take you seriously? We can't do it. That's literally what God says. That's literally what the universe tells you. When you're not being fast, when you're hesitant, when you don't know, and oh, I gotta think about it, when that's what you're doing, that's exactly what everything else around you does as well. So then it becomes harder for that money to hit the account when it's supposed to. Things start happening that show hesitancy, that show lack. If you move from lack, what will happen is everything around you will be lacking. Your world around you will be lacking. So that's what you have to understand about the way that the world works. I do everything in complete abundance because I know it will always come back to me, and it will always come back to me 100 times more. I do everything around me fast because I want things to come back fast to me. I do everything around me to the best of my ability. I do everything around me with integrity. I do everything around me with honesty. I exude that out into the world, and that's exactly what comes back to me. So when you act like this, and when you believe that, you truly and wholeheartedly believe that as long as I do everything it is that I'm supposed to do as fast as possible, as honest as possible, if I do those things as fast as possible, then guess what? It's gonna come back to me fast too. Because the same way I told you earlier, I paid a mentor 40 grand, is the same way 2 weeks later, he told me to implement something in my business and it made me way more than $40,000. It's all about speed. All about speed. I'll give you another example of a client who signed up earlier this month, he told me that we literally were texting. We didn't even get on the call. We hadn't even got on the call. I sent him a message. I said, hey, I saw that you booked a call. He said, yep, I'm ready. I want to go. Literally a week later, he said that he got multiple offers on a property that I helped him with, and he's going to make around $30,000. Speed. You see how that happens? And he said he got offers within 48 hours. You see how that happens? It's speed. So what he did was he exuded the speed, so the speed came right back to him. But when you do this thing, when you're like, you do that thing, you don't know. What do you mean you don't know? You need to be certain in yourself. And this is the problem. Most people are not certain in themselves because they don't know what they want. So you have to know exactly what you want. Be certain in yourself, be confident in yourself, and know that, like, hey man, I can do this. This is something that I can do. This is something that I want. I want more for myself. Why can't I have the best life possible? Why can't I have the life that I want to have? If this guy can do it, I mean, man, listen, if I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I used to have roommates. I used to have roommates. This is a story for another time, but man, like, it used to be hard for me to pay a $925 a month rent when I was in my teens. It used to be hard. Now, I mean, that's a dinner. And so this is what you have to realize. Like, I knew what I wanted then. So if you don't know what you want, then, and I don't say that to be boisterous or to flex or anything. I don't say that for that. I say that because I want to show you that whatever situation that you're in right now, you can turn it and change it if you switch your mental framework. You can turn it and change it if you switch your mental framework. I've been there. I've been messed up. I've been hesitant. I've invested in people that I wasn't sure I should invest in. I've done this before. I've done all these things before. But if you simply just say, you know what? All right, let me sit down with myself and ask myself exactly what I want. Then you make it very clear for yourself to go get it. So those are the 3 things that will keep you broke. Avoid them at all costs. And I'll see you on the next video.